Do you want to speak Arabic like a native? It's easier than you think, and it all starts with pronouns. Imagine you are chatting with a friend in Arabic and you know exactly how to say I, you, he, and she without hesitation. Sounds fun, right? Well, today we are going to learn Arabic pronouns, and trust me, you will be amazed at how simply it really is. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we start pronouns, let's quickly break down what pronouns are in Arabic. In any language, pronouns are words that replace nouns, like I, you, he, and she in English. In Arabic, they are super important because they help us form sentences and express ourselves clearly. You will be using them every day, whether you are talking to one person or a whole group. Let's make it a fun and easy to learn. Let's kick things off with the basics. I and you. In Arabic, I is ana and you is anta. You is anta for male, anta for a female, it's anti. I is ana, you is anta for male, you is anti for female. Simple, right? Now say it out loud with me now. Ana, I, ana. You for male, anta. You for a female, anti. Now let's move on to the next ones. In Arabic, he is huwa and she is hiya. These are super important when you are talking about other people. It's like having your own special words to talk about the world around you. Let's practice them now. Are you ready to say it with me? Alright, repeat after me. He, huwa, she, hiya. He, huwa, she, hiya. Here is a fun tip. When you use these pronouns, it's like you are a storyteller describing everything around you. Try saying huwa yuhibbul qira'ah. Huwa yuhibbul qira'ah. He loves reading. Let's move on to we and you, plural in Arabic. We is nahnu. We, nahnu. And you, plural, antum. Antum. You, plural, is antum. These pronouns are super helpful when you are talking to a group of people or about a group of people. Let's say it with me. We, nahnu. We, nahnu. You, plural, antum. Antum. Say it out loud and feel free to practice with your friends and family. Here is a fun example. نحن نحب كرة القدم. نحن نحب كرة القدم. We love football. How cool is that? We love football. Now let's talk about they in Arabic. They. is whom, they, whom, for a group of people. When you want to say something like they are my friends or they are playing, you will use this pronoun. It's like talking about your squad or your favorite group. Let's say it together. They, whom, they, whom. Here is a fun sentence to practice. هم يحبون السفر. هم يحبون السفر. They love traveling. هم يحبون السفر. Now let's quickly recap what we have learned. I, أنا. You, for male. أنت. You, for female. أنت. He, هو. She, هي. We, نحن. You, plural. أنتم. They, هم. You have learned the Arabic pronouns from I to they in just few minutes. Now, remember, the more you practice these pronouns, the more confident you will get in speaking Arabic. So, keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that's how we learn. Comment below and let me know which Arabic pronoun was your favorite to learn. Or do you have any question? I would love to hear from you.